The main reason that everyone says for gouty arthritis is because of high protein food. But is that the actual cause? How is uric acid being excess in our body? So like I said, it is not the misconception of having lots of protein rich food. No, but it is because of two reasons. And one of the main reason is rice or wheat or jowar, oats, everything. You can stop all that junk foods, sugars, stop all that. At least for 2 months of detox, for liver detox you can go. You can have plenty of vegetables.
iyarkaiye Marundhu சேனலுடைய மேலும் பல பதிவுகளை தெரிந்து கொள்ள இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் செய்யவும், பெல் பட்டனை அழுத்தவும். மேலும் மருத்துவரின் ஆலோசனை பெற இந்த வீடியோவில் உள்ள எண்ணிற்கு தொடர்பு கொள்ளவும்.
Hi friends, welcome to iyarkaiye Marundhu. Today we'll talk about a small bacteria that can save you from uric acid. If you know about this bacteria, you can definitely save yourself from high uric acid and its complications. Arthritis. There are mainly 3 types of arthritis. One is osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and gouty arthritis. We'll see how gouty arthritis is formed in our body, some of the symptoms that it manifests, and also how to eradicate it or cure, and how to get a cure from it through natural methods. Gouty arthritis is caused due to high uric acid levels in the body. How do we find out if you have gouty arthritis or not? Arthritis is something that you call when you have inflammation in your joints, and it could be osteo or rheumatoid or gouty arthritis. So gouty arthritis is caused due to urate crystals formed in between your joints that causes inflammation, and uric acid levels are high in the body. How do you know that you have gouty arthritis? Usually the symptoms are inflammation in your big toe. In your big toe, you will have inflammation and pain. Especially when you have non-veg food, these pains increase. So how do you diagnose that you have gouty arthritis? One, through this simple symptom, and also your serum uric acid levels, and confirm your gouty arthritis. So how is gouty arthritis actually formed in our body? Since long time ago, gouty arthritis have been very prevalent. The main reason that everyone says for gouty arthritis is because of high protein food. But is that the actual cause? Because all those who have been having gouty arthritis, they have been having protein as well, even through their younger ages. But they have not had gouty arthritis in those young ages, even when they were enjoying lots of protein rich food. So what is the reason now? The reason is that the uric acid is either being produced excess in our body or not being properly excreted from our body. Let's talk about uric acid. Uric acid is a very, very potent antioxidant that increases our lifespan. We can say that from an evolutionary perspective, that because of uric acid, humans have elongated their lifespan from other apes or primates. Uric acid is the most potent antioxidant in our body. It stops the damage of free radicals in our body that causes aging and eventually death. So how come uric acid became a villain in our story or in our health? Normally a cell, thousands of cells break down every day. These millions of cells have DNA structures that get degraded and are excreted. So when this protein from this DNA is degraded, uric acid is formed. This uric acid is a very good antioxidant, like I said before, and it helps us to live longer and keep our youthfulness intact. But even a very good thing in excess can be bad. How is uric acid being excess in our body? So like I said, it is not the misconception of having lots of protein rich food. No, but it is because of two reasons, and one of the main reason is a bacteria known as E. coli. This E. coli causes our body to produce more uric acid, and when this uric acid production is in excess, it deposits in our joints and causes inflammation. Another reason is because of fatty liver. Fatty liver is very common among everyone nowadays because of high intake of carbohydrate rich foods or sugars or junk foods, like in our modern lifestyle right now. So everyone is prone to have fatty liver. When people have fatty liver, normal metabolism or normal degradation and excretion of uric acid is not done from the body. So these two reasons: one, because of E. coli, uric acid production is more. Second, because of fatty liver, uric acid is not properly excreted from the body. So in these both conditions, excess of uric acid is being present in the body, and this uric acid deposits in our joints and causes inflammation. So what is the cure? What is the natural cure for gouty arthritis? One symptomatic relief that you can have is to reduce protein rich food that is rich in purines. There are a lot of types of proteins. In that, purine rich food is which degrades and causes uric acid. So purine rich food can be reduced. So there are types of food that have purines 50 to 100 milligrams, 100 to 500 milligrams, and 500 to 1000 milligrams in 100 grams of food. So meat, red meat, fish, all these are high in purines. So we can avoid that. Nuts, pulses, they all have moderate amount of purines. But the best food that you can have that is very low in purines is egg and dairy products. You can enjoy lots of dairy products, that is milk, yogurt, ghee, butter, cheese, anything in plenty you can have it, and it is not going to affect the uric acid levels in your body. So please do not avoid proteins altogether, but you can have proteins that are very low in purine content. But always remember that the root cause of uric acid in the body is E. coli bacteria, a bad bacteria, and fatty liver. So unless you address the root cause, that is fatty liver and E. coli, you are not going to get proper cure from this condition just by avoiding protein rich food. So to eradicate E. coli bacteria, there are natural antibiotic herbs that you can have, and also to eradicate fatty liver from your body, you can reduce the amount of carbohydrate rich food that you take. Rice or wheat or jowar, oats, everything. You can stop all that, junk foods, sugars, stop all that. At least for 2 months of detox, for liver detox you can go. You can have plenty of vegetables, plenty of fat rich food, which is good fat, which is milk or ghee or butter or eggs, and you can have lots of fruits as well. So go to this lifestyle and you can detox your liver and have a few natural antibiotics that can eradicate this bad bacteria that causes uric acid production. And definitely in 3 to 4 months, you can be free from this tormenting condition of gouty arthritis. Thank you, and I will see you in another episode. Thank you so much.